And what are you wanting to do?
Open it.
But it's not Christmas yet.
Please.
You're begging to open it anyway, even though it's not Christmas? Okay, we're going to let you open it since it's not Christmas. Go ahead. What? What is it? What is that?
I don't know. It's rocks, but why did you give me them?
The lump of coal?
No, it doesn't. My hands are black. Just like, look.
Well, have you been bad this year? Is that why you got nothing but rocks?
That's just rocks, but just let me open a different one besides rocks.
Why?
That's the one you picked. We told you if you open one before Christmas, you'd get a bunch of rocks.
Well, you better say thank you for your box of rocks.
I want to open a different one, but then.
Why?
Because then I think a good one.
Wait, that's not,
It's not mine?
It's not yours, no.
Which one? Oh, can I open the big one?
You just begged to open one and we let you open one. It ain't our fault you picked one that had rocks in it. That's not. No, you have to talk to your mama.
Can I open this?
No, put it back under the tree.
I want to open another present. Okay? That's mine!
Look at mommy.
Awesome!
What is that? Wow, a pirate ship. Hey.
Thanks, Mom. Mom, thanks. Awesome. What does this do? How do you shut this and open it?
What?
Open and shut this gate. Oh. I think Logan has one of these. I love this. It's awesome.
Well, it's got all kinds of little compartments, don't it?
Hey, is there any cannons?
There's some flaps over here. Look and see if there's cannons in them.
No, I looked.
What do all those little buttons up there do?
Buttons?
Yeah, those little orange buttons right there.
These?
No, the ones below it. Those little buttons that slide right there. What do they do?
I don't know. Look at that. There's wheels.
Alright, Jack. Only one.
Okay.
Okay.
Please.
Okay.
Thank you.
The rest of them you have to wait till Christmas, okay?
Okay.
Well, open it.
Awesome!
That goes with your pirate ship.
Now
can-
you can use them on your pirate ship.
Cool.
Oh, those little buttons move the sails up and down.
What?
Those little buttons move the sails up and down. Cool. Well, you better give Mommy a big hug and tell her thank you.
Thank you.
I didn't realize I was sitting on my computer. You got to be good rest of the day.
Okay, but can I open another one tomorrow?
No.